This is the GLAKER Professional Hair Clipper Set. K11S is the model number. It's a dual mode cordless and corded use. So you can either do it without a cord or with a cord. It works both ways. It does have a 4-hour running time approximately when it has a full charge. So it's a very, very good battery life there. In the package here, you've got obviously all of these combs. There's a total of 15 combs there, and they're guide combs. They range all the way from 1.5 millimeter up to 51 millimeters. It's one of the most vast cutting length sets that I've seen. Don't know if that makes sense, but it's got these giant guards, which I just haven't seen anywhere else. Also, I will tell you that it does have a little cape so that you can keep the hair off of your clothes or whoever's hair you're cutting. And it does have like the left and right taper as well. It comes with a little comb and the oil. And of course, the main star of the show, the GLAKER clipper here. This is such a nice clipper. Very nice weight. It's a little hefty, all steel or all metal construction here. It has the self-sharpening blades. It's got an adjustable taper lever there. And this is the sound. Got a great, great deep hum. It's not very loud at all. This 100 here is the amount of power left, so it's got 100% power. It just has the one speed on this clipper, but that speed is 6,000 RPMs plus. So it is very, very capable of just cutting right through any type of hair, even coarse hair. This is an extremely nice product. It also is cordless or corded, like I said, just to point out that it does not have a cradle it sits on. It charges by simply laying it on the counter and then plugging into the power source, which is a USB power source. So that's pretty much that. It does have the LED display though, and it'll show when it is finished with the charging process. So, and of course it comes with this nice little storage box here. That's a big plus in my opinion too, just to keep everything together. So there you go. So I highly, highly recommend this product. It is fantastic. It'll serve you for years to come, I'm sure. And I would say I would get this for home use, but also if you're working in a salon, barbershop, I would say this would hold up well for serving your customers. So highly recommend. Hope this is helpful. Goodbye.
Hola, he recibido este producto y bueno, me llegó a tiempo. Viene así bien empacado con esta maleta, sus accesorios completos, como dice en la descripción. Y bueno, ya la trabajamos, trabaja muy bien. Tiene un buen sonido también. Y me gusta que es compacta. Me gusta que tiene un buen sonido y la batería está muy bien. La batería le dura un buen tiempo. Y aquí marca también cuánto le queda de batería. En este momento le quedan 71% de batería y me parece que está muy bien. Le doy un buen comentario a este producto.
There's some hairs on it because I've been using it. You can adjust them to zero it, but I don't know whether it's a bit harsh for skin. Quite quiet and very heavy, but reasonably quiet. Very heavy, but usable.
peu d'autonomie. Un peu lourd, mais ça va. Plusieurs sabots. Petit trou de rangement. Avec une cave fournie. Ça va.
Ah, donc je viens de charger la batterie, 3 heures, on va voir ce qui se passe, elle tient pas du tout la charge. 100%. Voilà.
If you can see, it's not switching on, and I put it on charge all day yesterday as well. So yeah, it's broken.